Welcome to Artsville, a city that sees the world with fresh eyes. Like here, at the Prolific Painters Preparatory Academy, where the students use the elements of art to put their own spin on a classic still life. Looks like Russ is getting creative when it comes to color, playing with the hue and intensity of the colors to convey an emotion rather than represent real life. Love the moody banana, Russ. And Amara is toying with the lines of her painting, making some very thick and others thin. Some very smooth and others very jagged. Bobby is emphasizing the shape of the fruit to give it a bit more structure and character, really accentuating the oval shapes in the grapes and the triangle shape of the watermelon slice. While Ava is playing with values, meaning she's creating contrast between light and dark. She's giving her painting a lot of contrast by making her lights very light and her darks very dark. And last but not least, Tony is giving his painting some texture and having a great time doing it. Hard to believe they were all painting the same thing, right? But that's the beauty of art. We can all use the same elements in different ways to showcase our own artistic voice.